President's follow-up inspection of the drainage improvement project of one of the most notorious flooding hotspots in the megacity has yielded his personal satisfaction. Our Kenneth Paciente has more on the president's ocular of a G. Araneta Avenue flood zone earlier today amidst the start of the monsoon season.
From the condition of this drainage system just last May, this is now the newly improved G. Araneta drainage system in Barangay Tatalon, Quezon City. It was inspected by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. The president is aware of the severe flooding in the area, which he said is why the government prioritized this project.
Ang ginawa natin ay naglagay tayo ng malalaking drainage. Kung maalala ninyo, noong nakaraan, nandito rin kami, ipinakita natin yung napakalaki na mga tubo, na goma, na bago, na yun ang in-install natin dito. Yung mga nakikita ninyong mga butas dito, yung mga drainage, ang sa ilalim niyan ay yun na nga, yung ating mga malalaki, mas malaki pa sa tao. Yung malalaki na tubo na linagay natin para makapag-drain na mabilis at hindi na magbaha dito.
The president also spoke with several residents and expressed satisfaction that to some extent, conditions in the area have improved whenever bad weather occurs. He said that some residents told him that flooding used to cause extensive damage to household belongings, while others also suffered disruptions to their livelihoods.
Ngayon pa lang nararamdaman na raw nila na hindi na tumataas yung tubig, at kapag may tubig na umiipon dito, ay mabilis naman mawala. Hindi kagaya ng dati na ora-orada bago sila makapasok dito sa kanilang mga lugar.
Residents in the area such as Ophelia now appear greatly relieved. She shared that there were times when flood waters in their community rose above a person's height. However, she said conditions have improved because of the drainage rehabilitation.
Ngayon, parang ito ngayong ginagawa yung karsada para yung hindi na masyado baba lang sa amin sa baba, mawawala agad. Pero itong karsada, ginawaan nila ng project, pag umuulan, wala na agad tubig. Kaya ang laki ng pasalamat po namin na ang lugar po namin inaayos.
The president also said that the garbage problem, which contributes to flooding, must be addressed, a concern that has already been raised to Quezon City local government according to him. He added that because the garbage problem is so significant, there should be a proper waste collection system. The president also assured the public that these efforts are only the beginning of the government's measures to address flooding.
At ito ay dito pa lang to, sa one-half pa lang ito, kalahati pa lang ito. Gagawin din natin yan dun sa kabila para talagang mabilis ang takbo ng tubig, mabilis ang paglabas ng tubig at hindi na mababaha dito sa G. Araneta Avenue dito sa Tatalon.
Kenneth Paciente for the Nation.